We're waiting for our transient. That's nice. I think we go there. Transas Mantas. We should hero. So we don't know each other, that's why we are here. Sir, can you help us, sir? Per favor?
Yes, I get to the okay.
For transient going
Yes,
to our
yes,
hotel?
I get to the
Okay, sir. Thank
say
you.
it's in office.
Thank you. Yeah. It's easy, guys. We come here. You come here in Fuerteventura, all package, and then we will go to the jet2.com for the transient to our hotel. Jet2. The jet2. I cannot see the jet2. There's no jet2. Hello, ma'am. Can you help us? Jet2?
Yeah.
The red one. Ah, yeah. Thank you very much. Okay. Very good. Very convenient. Hello, ma'am.
Hello there.
Good afternoon. Where
Let
are
me have a look.
transient,
for you.
please? Yeah.
Hello. Is it for the coach today?
Yeah.
It is. Let me have a look. So it's Ken Matas Blancas and you came from Manchester. Is that
Yeah.
correct?
Enes
Okay.
Blancas.
If you head over to C4, to Charlie 4, I'll just write it on here for you. So C4, I'll just give you that back.
Thank you,
So
ma'am.
through the double doors there, follow the pathway round. You see how everybody else is going round the little roundabout? Do exactly the same. So then you need to be on the orange row, parking bay C4.
C4, yeah.
C4,
Thank
dear.
you.
Have a lovely time.
Yeah, we will.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Oh, very nice here, guys. Straight direct or straightforward, yeah. C4. This is, we book it in a perfect getaway. Yeah, it's nice. And it's a good deal. It's a good deal. Wow. Jet2. Yeah. Did you smile? Yeah. Thank you. And then C4. Wow, the heat. You know, the heat is here. It's nice. I can feel the heat in Fuerteventura. Lovely weather. It's perfect getaway. Yeah, lovely. Dahil na? It's nice. What you can say, dahil na? The heat is on. 28 degrees, guys, here in Fuerteventura. Sir, good afternoon. C3 or what? Jet2.
Let me have a look here for
Thank
you.
you. I think C4. Probably
C1,
C4.
C2,
Okay,
C3, C4. Let me just double check for you about that. Just make
Thank
sure.
you very much. Very good.
Matas Blancas. Let's have a look here.
Yeah. Matas Blancas.
Matas Blancas. You've got the C4.
Thank you,
okay?
sir.
So
Thank
do
you.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Wow.
Okay,
Thank you. This is transient, guys. It's nice. No worries. If you're coming here, no worries. Direct. We go for our C4. C4 here. This one. The C4. Nice weather, guys. I cannot blame my colleagues that is coming here for 8 times because the weather-wise, it's 4 hours and 10 minutes to travel from Manchester, where we belong. What's that? No, it's windy, but it's nice. It's cool. It's warm. Yeah, it's warm wind. Yeah, nice. Perfect. Perfect getaway.
You said that, what happened? Never worked out, was it?
Another smile, darling. Darling. Yeah, nice.
Okay,
Yes. I like
yeah,
it.
there's a little welcome pack for it. Thank you very much. Just a minute and we'll get your luggage on in a few moments. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, Metas Blancas and Samuels. Okay, pass you two.
Thank you, Mom.
Okay, little welcome pack. We bear with
Wow.
a minute and we'll get your luggage on.
Thank you,
for
thank you, thank you. Your holiday, very nice.
Okay.
Jet 2, very nice. The Jet 2. It's my first experience traveling in the Jet 2 Airlines, but they're very good, guys. They're very good. Straightforward. The weather is nice here, windy but nice. Yeah. Unfortunately, we are not in the Laxidal. Just show it to you guys, the world here in Fuerteventura. Nice. It's a nice. It's a nice. It's a beautiful place. Visit. It's a beautiful place. It's a good package deal as well, guys. With Jet 2. Very nice. This is our bus now. Orange bus. A bit. Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you. Ula, hello, no? Ula. Yeah, Ula, darling.
There you go.
We are staying in Kien Blancas. Mantas Blancas.
Hotel, please. Che loro sta?
You lower down the
Hotel, please.
Kien Mantas Blancas. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
You got the hotel there? So we'll be on it a while.
Here, darling. Senior.
How can you get the different seat on the
Because senior.
Right one.
Priority the senior. I'm your carer.
Tell everybody.
It's nice, guys. Finally, we are here in the shuttle bus. It's a transient, yeah. It's really good, guys. It's really nice. It's not stressful, yeah. It's not a stressful day because direct. Yeah, what do you think, Dan? It's nice. Yeah, it's really good. It's really good. Another smile, darling, for the memories.
Another one, that's three.
Okay, smile. We are in the one.
3 smiles in one day. I'll have a little bit then.
It's nice. Nice. I guess what it is. That's the airport, the Fuerteventura airport. And they're very helpful, guys, the people here.
What's in the welcome pack?
Yeah, have a look and put it in the...
I won't touch it. I'll just...
Yeah.
That's just a booklet, I think.
Can you hold that one? Because you should... Ano that one? 'Cause- Put it in the back there, please. KN Mantas Blancas. Oh, yeah! You again! Our mate, the flame. Yeah. Welcome to Fuerteventura. KN Mantas.
Oh, yeah. Huh? Just come and see you doing that.
Very far? We're very far? In the big one, Dal. In the big one. That building.
Chop the back with the
KN Mantas. Give me the note. Very nice, no? It's nice. It's really good. Nice. The weather is 28 Celsius or 28 degrees. It's windy, but it's... the time is 3 o'clock.
2 o'clock here.
3 o'clock, 3. Yeah, 3 o'clock. The travel time is 4 hours and 10 minutes. And then when you go to the immigration, it's already half.
Now, if I try and count this time, it's
See you guys, another pictures and more to come to share it to you. Where we're going, travels, from food, drinks, places. Come along with us, guys, and with me, and with my partner. Nice, no? Nice feeling. First impression. Is it first impression last, yeah? See you guys. See you guys. Until next time. Bye-bye.